Hello, in this video I will show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Jupiter. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is open your browser, then open a Phantom Wallet. After that, just simply go to the marketplace section right over here, and under the app section you will be able to see Jupiter. If you're unable to see this, just simply search it in the search panel right over here and then click on Jupiter, and that should open a new tab right over here, as you can see. Now once you are on the Jupiter page, click on Connect Wallet and choose Phantom Wallet. Now, if it is not showing you, just simply choose any of the wallet that you want. But in this case, I will be choosing Phantom Wallet. So click on it. And it should open a small pop-up window in Phantom Wallet just like this. Now, all you have to do is just simply click on Connect. And that should connect your Phantom Wallet with Jupiter. As you can see right over here, your Phantom Wallet is connected and you can see your balance right over here as well. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.